Are you recording?
Yeah,
Drum roll.
Okay, here we are, Thursday, the 31st, the last night at the townhouse.
Ready? Drum roll.
Yeah!
Look at all this shit there.
Now that's what you call a party.
What about the orange? You gotta put the coolers in there.
Oh yeah, get the
Roll.
That's what you call it. He's mine.
Hey, is there a light in here?